Megalodon is an extinct species of giant shark that lived approximately 23 to 3.6 million years ago during the Cenozoic era. Here are some key facts about Megalodon. Size: Megalodon is estimated to have been one of the largest and most powerful predators to have ever lived. Based on fossil evidence, scientists believe that Megalodon reached lengths of up to 60 feet, 18 meters, or more. Its size is often compared to that of a school bus. Diet: Megalodon was a carnivorous predator that primarily fed on marine mammals such as whales, dolphins, seals, and large fish. Its teeth, which are among the most common fossils found, were large, triangular, and serrated, adapted for cutting through flesh. Habitat: Megalodon inhabited oceans worldwide and preferred warmer coastal and shallow waters. Fossil records suggest that it had a wide distribution, with remains found in various parts of the world, including North and South America, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Extinction: the exact cause of Megalodon's extinction remains unknown, but scientists believe that a combination of factors, including changes in ocean temperatures, the decline of its prey species, and competition with other predators, may have played a role. Megalodon disappeared from the fossil record around 3.6 million years ago. Popularity: Megalodon has captured the public's imagination and remains a popular subject in books, documentaries, and movies. However, it's important to note that Megalodon is an extinct species and is not known to exist in the present-day oceans. It's worth mentioning that our understanding of Megalodon is based on fossil evidence, and scientists continue to study and learn more about this fascinating prehistoric shark through ongoing research and discoveries. Due to the nature of studying extinct species, it is challenging to determine the exact size of Megalodon's population during its existence. Fossil records provide valuable information about the existence and characteristics of Megalodon, but they do not give a complete picture of population dynamics. Nevertheless, scientists have proposed various theories and estimations based on available data and comparisons with modern shark populations. Here are a few theories regarding the size of Megalodon's population. Apex predator: Megalodon is believed to have occupied the top position in the marine food chain as an apex predator. As an apex predator, its population size would have likely been smaller compared to that of its prey. This is because higher-level predators generally have lower population numbers due to the availability of resources and energy transfer through the food chain. Localized populations: some researchers suggest that Megalodon populations may have been localized rather than widespread throughout the oceans. They propose that Megalodon occupied specific regions with favorable conditions, such as coastal areas rich in prey resources. In this scenario, the overall population size of Megalodon may have been limited but concentrated in certain habitats. Population decline: it is hypothesized that Megalodon populations may have declined towards the end of its existence. Factors such as changes in the distribution and availability of its primary prey, marine mammals, environmental shifts, competition with other predators, or a combination of these factors could have contributed to a decrease in Megalodon population numbers over time. Speculative estimates: some researchers have attempted to estimate Megalodon's population size based on comparisons with modern shark species. However, these estimates are highly speculative and subject to considerable uncertainty due to the lack of direct data on Megalodon populations. It's important to note that these theories and estimations are based on scientific speculation and interpretations of available evidence. The exact population dynamics of Megalodon during its existence remain uncertain, and further research and discoveries may provide additional insights into this aspect of their biology. The decline of Megalodon populations is still a subject of scientific investigation, and there is no definitive consensus on the exact factors that led to their extinction. However, several potential factors have been proposed based on available evidence and scientific hypotheses. Here are some factors that could have contributed to the decline of Megalodon populations. Changes in prey availability: Megalodon primarily fed on large marine mammals, such as whales. Shifts in the distribution, abundance, or behavior of these prey species could have impacted Megalodon's food supply. Changes in oceanic currents, climate, or the availability of suitable breeding and feeding grounds may have influenced the distribution and abundance of Megalodon's prey, leading to a decline in their population numbers. Environmental changes: global environmental changes, including shifts in oceanic temperatures, sea levels, and primary productivity, could have affected the habitat and resources available to Megalodon. Alterations in these environmental factors may have disrupted the ecological balance and reduced the availability of suitable habitats for Megalodon, impacting their overall population size. Competition with other predators. Megalodon inhabited the same marine ecosystems as other large predators, such as other sharks and marine reptiles. Increased competition for resources, including prey species, could have negatively impacted Megalodon's ability to secure sufficient food resources, which might have contributed to a decline in their population. Reproductive strategies. Megalodon is believed to have had a slow reproductive rate, with long gestation periods and low offspring numbers. If their reproductive capacity was unable to keep pace with population losses due to natural mortality or other factors, it could have hindered population recovery and contributed to their decline. Extinction cascades. The decline of Megalodon may have been influenced by cascading effects within the ecosystem. The disappearance of a top predator like Megalodon could have led to changes in the population dynamics of other species within the food web, potentially causing further disruptions and impacting the overall stability of the ecosystem. It's worth noting that the extinction of Megalodon likely involved a combination of multiple factors rather than a single cause. The exact interplay and relative importance of these factors are still the subject of scientific inquiry and ongoing research. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, I kindly ask you to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to join our growing community.